Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 10A, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. Now I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, so once your content is open and visible, simply hold the power key and the volume down at the same time. You'll have this annoying sound along with a pop-up right here with share and edit option. Now after a moment it will disappear. There we go. And once it disappears, you can then find your screenshot in the gallery application. It's visible under photos, but also if you already captured a bunch of them in the future, you can find it under albums, and this will create an album supposedly called screenshots. Apparently it's called other albums here. It's an album inside of an album, so other albums, then screenshots, and then we have the screenshot itself. So there we go. So anyway, this is how you would capture a screenshot on this phone, and also where you can find it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.